And there it is. What do you think? Is it going to be better than the boombox from JBL? Now that is the question. There is no seal on it. All I need to do is just push it and wow. Wow. Smells like a beautiful sound. Nice. What is that? A charger, a power cable, and UK power cable. So European and UK power cables. Can you even see it with the wide angle? Bam! Manual. And let's pull it. Nice. Nice. Okay, nothing else in the box. Nice. Ultra satisfaction. It really smells fantastic. I love smell of the brand new device. I love it. Alrighty then. It's big. It's black. Feels nice in the hand. It has those two rubber. It doesn't look like a toy, like a GAB. There's something on the back. Wow. Way better doors. Wow, the amount of buttons we have here. Power to connect, so you can connect a couple of them. Battery. Light. Guitar. USB 2. Power. Mic for guitar. And minimum maximum. But this back door looks 10 times better than in the old JBL. There's also a power button, Bluetooth, pause and play, plus and minus, and bass, mega bass. I think it's a little bit bigger. See, it is bigger. But is it heavier? That is the question. I have to weigh 5.5 kilograms, so half kilogram lighter than in JBL. cheaper. With the Windows, I cannot use those buttons. But when you use some wireless smartphone or something, you could use those buttons. This is and the sound quality is I love it. Compared to this one, you cannot compare the sound quality. That clearly can hear the separation, mids, bass, lows, between bass and highs. Well, if you press the mega bass button, bass is not overwhelming everything. It's tight, it's out there, it's punchy, but it's not overwhelming. You could hear mids and highs. Well, with the highs, with the mega bass, it's better to just turn off the mega bass. And for inside, if you're outside, you could do mega bass because the whole room will give you a little bit more bass. So we don't want to get too bassy, but there's no comparison. This is like twice better than this Bumbox from JBL. I'll definitely send this one back. I love this one. And those lights. It's really a party speaker. I love it. I love it. And the design, it looks premium. This one looks like a toy. It's like maybe for the youngsters. Maybe I like I prefer Sony. But when I hit mega bass, I think that the side speakers are pumping. Without it, it's only front speakers. And this is what I think. I don't know if that's true, but and the build quality, well, it's cheaper than this Bumbox, but it's better. Definitely recommend this speaker. It is. Well, my camera just died. Oof, oof. Look at it. Look at it as a close-up. Those buttons and everything. Wow, how nice it is. How black it is. I love it. I'm keeping it. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.